Holy crap. Here's Mobine's new daily driver.
It's fast.
Is it fast? E63. How's it feel? Do you like it? Not fast?
No.
Congrats.
I mean, it's
First
not
time
as fast
seeing
as
it.
Chiron, but, yeah.
I don't have a Chiron. Haha. This thing is sick. I just drove back in from Indianapolis yesterday, and Mobine just picked up this brand new E60. Well, brand new. It's got like what, 4,000 miles on it. E63 for his daily driver. So we decided to meet up today to check it out. So do a quick little vlog, seeing this new epic daily driver. So
Not just faster. I think it's just a different category.
Yeah.
from the Alfa. Well, it's a whole size bigger.
Yeah.
Is it unlocked? Can I see the inside?
Yeah. My son's sleeping.
Your son's sleeping?
Yeah, there's a kid in the back.
Oh, there's a kid. See, it's a dad car. You look so peaceful. Wait, did you actually drive it fast?
Yeah.
And he didn't wake up?
Alright. He sleeps soundly, like that.
Oh, well, Josefa almost threw up apparently riding this car. Oh, look at that, the giant double touch screens. Or not touch screens, just display screens. Oh, where's the key? Wow. IWC. AMG's used the IWC clock in the middle. Look at all the Burmeister speakers. All the grills, the metal, like laser drilled holes. These like light up and spin, don't they? They like rotate out. Oh, that's so cool. Wait, do you have the key? Can I turn it on? I'm gonna wake him up. I just want to turn the car on.
You should be able to.
No, it's not happy. Oh, it's a new key fob too. Oh, this is way better than the old ones.
I'm not getting rid of Eddie now.
New key fob, AMG logo on the back. That's much nicer.
I don't have a car, so.
Oh, look at that. Shoot, we missed it. That's so cool. Wow.
Okay.
For some reason, John has another Explorer Sport.
Yeah.
But did you rent it?
No.
Did you lease it?
No.
Is it your friend's?
Not my friends, no.
Is it your mom's?
Yeah.
Oh, your mom has Explorer. What?
I don't believe that.
What happened to her X5M?
She still has it.
John doesn't make any sense. So he's got like 12 cars, right? He'll randomly just like pick up, like, we had to go pick up the Range Rover being tinted, and he had a C-Class. Just, it was like, it wasn't his.
This guy is
It was,
like...
but why do you just pick up random cars to drive? It doesn't make any sense, and they're just like normal cars too.
Why do you need to know?
It's weird. All right, but what happened to the Range Rover?
Okay, so Range Rover, one day I started up and both of the screens were just blank. You can see them trying to fire up, but they wouldn't. so I was like, all right, it's just sometimes slow to start. Sometimes it takes about 2-3 minutes.
2-3 minutes?
Up to 5 minutes.
Is yours that bad?
No, my old one was.
Yeah, but I thought your new one's better.
Not every time, but once in a while it happens.
Oh boy.
So I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna drive around, let fire. I'm driving this fuck around for 20 minutes and it's still not up and running. So I'm like, all right, something's wrong. So I pulled over in a little neighborhood side street, shut off the car, locked the car, unlocked the car, waited for like, another couple minutes. Started up again, same thing. And I'm like, fuck. So then I call for, well, it's like the car works. You can put it in
Everything's
drive
fine.
and drive off with it, but you can't do anything else. Like,
You can't change like the radio station. You can't change your climate.
Well, you can turn on the radio. You can turn on the radio, but you're stuck on the last thing you're listening to.
Okay.
Because like nothing works. Like you can't control your seats. You can't control the climate. You can't control anything.
Yep.
You can just put it in gear and drive off. That's like
Poor 1%er problems. My Range Rover heated seats and hot stone massage won't work. All right, keep going.
all right. So I made an appointment, and then I made a big scene, and they got me in sooner.
Oh yeah, John called and he said the next time they had a loaner available was like December 28th, and he's like, that is unacceptable. Through a temper tantrum. If you do this, I will buy your dealership and put you out of business. And then they made him.
Actually, I name drop Eddie. I said,
yeah, sure,
destroy
okay.
your reputation.
Yeah, okay, that'll work. That'll work. All right, we're gonna go back to looking at AMG. So your Range Rover fixed itself.
And then the next day I fired it up, it was just fine. So
Okay.
now
So
I don't need the appointment.
so now your Range Rover's alive. Yay.
Yeah.
All right, Mobine. So I helped you. We looked at this car a bunch. So what was painted? The badges are painted.
The badges.
They're not vinyl. They're fully painted.
And then
The handles.
the door handles.
This is paint, not vinyl.
Side.
And the side badges here too. Is all the carbon fiber factory spec?
Yeah.
So you get the mirrors, little side scoop thingies.
You know, I was building this car online.
Wow.
It's weird, but you can select the carbon fiber package, but it doesn't include the mirrors.
The red AMG badge.
That's separate, so you have to.
It's got the, so one of the big things is the matte paint. This has already got Expel Stealth on it and also Ceramic Pro, which was a big decision. We were debating between the two of them, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's what me and Nick were talking about. Like, does the finish change with Ceramic Pro?
So I don't think it's Ceramic Pro, but there are certain, like Dr. Beasley's is one of the companies.
Dr. Beasley's? That sounds like foot inserts or something.
They have like a matte paint, shampoo or car wash and
Yeah, you gotta take care of it. Yeah. So, winter tires are already on?
Yeah.
The ones from Alfa fit perfectly?
No, no.
Oh, you bought new ones?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just on the regular tires or
So
wheels.
these are the same as my mom's. Like, it's kind of the same theory as my mom's X5M.
Go smaller?
Yeah, you have to go a little smaller.
Yeah. Okay. Soda Zeros. Hey, I got Soda Zeros
The
too.
width
Woo!
changed by about 20.
Got my stock winter wheels back on. This thing is sick. The big debate we had was carbon ceramic brakes or no. And I told you, I mean, you called me like, oh my god, do I do carbon ceramic brakes? I was like, it's not worth it. You're not going to track it.
Yeah.
It's
I mean,
daily.
I just try hauling this thing from,
From the speed limit, right?
Yeah, it's the speed limit. Yeah, let's see, what's the speed? 45. Okay, so from 45 miles an hour,
Yeah.
I tried hauling this thing to a stop, and it was highly effective. So,
Really? That's
yeah.
good. Can we,
I have no complaints about this too.
this is
The only thing
That was a big debate.
the only thing I wonder is how much dust the.
Oh my God.
Because you know.
Is it bad?
It's bad. But
Are the wheels coated?
Yeah, the wheels are coated.
Okay.
My reasoning for ceramic brakes has nothing to do with tracking it or stopping power. It's just I don't like brake dust.
Yeah, brake dust does suck. What do you have them on the? What do you have them on even? Just the Porsche, right?
M3.
Oh yeah, but those are like grindy and scary and that. Those are.
The sound is all. I don't know what the AMG ones are like.
I don't know.
That I drove,
Okay, so
Where's the
they don't make those, like,
where's the hood release?
fucking noises.
There it is. Let's check out this gigantic engine. Soft closed doors too is option. The original window sticker on this car was like 145, I think.
42.
142. Pretty well spec'd.
Like the sticker price on Eddie Butler's car.
Carbon fiber engine cover too. Ooh, it's warm.
This is
This is who built it. Kevin Bellman built your engine.
Doesn't sound very German.
It doesn't actually.
Sounds like a surfer from San Diego.
It's not a real AMG.
Oh yeah, this is nice and toasty.
It's nice and toasty. It's cold today. It's actually not too bad.
Well, this thing does the hot V, right? Like put the
Turbos in the V. Yep.
Yeah, so it probably kicks off a lot of fucking.
Yep.
Yeah,
Sweet.
Look at all the heat shielding around it.
603 horsepower in your daily driver. You have the fastest car out of all of us now. I think this edges out the RS7 stock.
What about your Chiron?
I don't have a Chiron.
Well, the most horsepower.
I don't have a Chiron. Oh my god, you guys are so annoying.
Private jet.
My private.
Go ahead, finish the sentence.
I don't have a private jet.
He was gonna say my private
Hey,
jet's in service.
look at your house, John. You're more likely to have a private jet than any of us. And a fleet of yachts. How's your Benetti super yacht?
I don't
Or the
even know what that
Sunseeker?
is. I don't even know what that is.
Okay. The latest command system of the two. Whoa. Graphics are sweet. Wait, they didn't use the S-Class steering wheel. They use that in like everything.
Huh?
The S-Class steering wheel. The new one with the little scrolly things.
Oh yeah, that's in the 2019.
Oh, really? Oh, this is a 2018. Carbon fiber this, the command, everything. I love the IWC center clock. Ugh. Do you think I'm gonna mod it at all? Any exhaust?
I wouldn't.
No? Oh, it's CPO'd, so. Lots of carbon.
The AMG Sport exhauster.
Yeah. Oh, whoa. There go the valves. Oh, that's nice.
How much gray hair do you have?
What?
How much gray hair do you have? Yeah.
Me?
That's the stress from buying this car.
Lots of gray hair. I have lots of gray hair. I helped you with this. You're welcome.
This is the cost to make billions. That's what you're seeing right there.
You guys are infuriating. He never stops. John is the biggest troll I know, and he never, ever, ever stops
Personal
trolling.
troll
But I could
takes
tell.
you.
I could tell you were in the mood to troll today because as soon as I woke up in a group message, you were just like nonstop.
Tell everyone what time you woke up today.
11:45 in the morning. I went to sleep at 4 in the morning because I had to drive back from Indianapolis. So no shame.
Wait, what time did you get home?
Yeah, what time did you get home, Eddie?
Late?
What's late?
Late.
10 o'clock?
No, I didn't get back there in Arbor till 1.
I mean, why couldn't you sleep in the backseat of the
I
Wi-Fi?
went to sleep at 1:30 and I woke up at 8.
You sure you want to try that?
No. John's a lot bigger than me.
You're way the same.
Yeah, but you're like half a foot shorter than me. You're just a dense. You're like a brick shithouse. AMG. Congrats, Bobine. Very happy for you.
Thank you.
Is the Alfa gone?
Yeah.
What'd you do? Trade it in? Just get rid of it?
Yeah.
You're gonna miss it?
No.
That was a very weird no.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, it did kind of feel sad
Yeah.
leaving it, but
Well, that was your first like really nice daily driver, right? Because you went from the Golf R into that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Within 6 months into an AMG that's $125,000. Baller moves.
no. I'm just trying to get on your level.
Oh, shut up.
That's all. That's all I can do. That's all we all can do.
I'm gonna. All right.
Peasants compared to you.
All right, there we go. There's the E63. We will do a full review of the car. We'll go drive it around more. Not wanting to wake up a sleeping small child in the back. Big congrats to Bobine. This car is sick. Love it. Looking forward to doing more videos with it. Hope you guys like this quick little video. Thanks for watching. Any last words?
No.
Alright, people at YouTube, stop calling this guy Nissan. He's not my box. This is my box shoe right there.
Lisa.